Hey folks! Ever brought home a fresh new carpet, and instead of basking in its plushness, you're left wrestling with that pungent, chemical aroma? You're not the only one. Today, we're tackling that notorious new carpet smell, the foe to your nose, the enemy of your easy breathing. So, toss aside that air freshener, and let's jump into action. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Ventilate the room. First things first, give that room a good old breath of fresh air. Throw open those windows, swing those doors wide. We're inviting a refreshing breeze to swoop in and carry away those pesky odors. Remember, a warm, dry day works best, as warm air's got more room for moisture. But don't sweat it if the weather's not playing ball. Fans are your allies here, helping to kick that air into circulation. Be patient though, folks. This isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Depending on the stubbornness of your carpet smell, you might need a few hours or even days of good ventilation. Stick with it, and you'll notice the difference. Use a dehumidifier. If ventilation doesn't cut it, it's time to bring in the big guns. Say hello to our friend, the dehumidifier. Park it in a spot where it's got room to breathe and nothing's in its way. Close those doors and windows tight, then let it rip. Ideal humidity? That's between 30 and 50%. Most dehumidifiers have a built-in humidistat to help you keep tabs on that. Run it for at least a day, maybe longer if your carpet's really giving off the stink. And hey, don't forget to clean your dehumidifier regularly. We don't want to swap one smell for another, right? Use activated charcoal. Next up on our odor-fighting roster, activated charcoal. This stuff's like a sponge for smells. Fill up a bowl about 3/4 full and leave it in the room for a few days. But hey, be careful, charcoal can be messy, so place it somewhere it won't get knocked over. Use baking soda. Ever thought of giving your carpet a baking soda bath? It's a thing, trust me. Start with a thorough vacuum, then sprinkle a generous layer of baking soda over the carpet. Let it sit there for a few hours, even overnight, then vacuum it all up. Repeat as needed. Baking soda's like a silent ninja, stealthily absorbing those odors. Use vinegar. Now, let's talk vinegar. Mix it up 50-50 with water in a spray bottle, then give your carpet a light spritz. Blot it up gently after a few minutes, and let the carpet dry. Vinegar can be strong, so keep the room well ventilated. Use citrus fruits. Citrus fruits aren't just for your breakfast anymore. Cut them up, toss them in a bowl, and let them sit on the carpet. They'll work their magic, absorbing that new carpet smell. Use essential oils. Essential oils are another great weapon in our arsenal. Mix a few drops with water in a spray bottle, give your carpet a spritz, and let it air dry. Just test it on a small patch first. We want to banish odors, not ruin carpets. Use an air purifier. Last, but certainly not least, is the trusty air purifier. Get one that fits your room size, set it up in a spot where it won't be blocked, and let it do its thing. Keep it running for at least 24 hours. And remember, like cars, air purifiers need their filters changed too, usually every 3 to 6 months. And there you have it, folks. 8 tried and true methods to kick that new carpet smell to the curb. Remember, patience is key. Give these methods a shot, mix and match, and soon, you'll be able to enjoy your plush, fresh carpet without that chemical stench. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share this video with anyone battling the new carpet smell, and drop a comment to let us know which method worked best for you. Stay fresh, and see you next time. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.